Have you ever noticed that your brand new monitor looks incredible in the store, but after 2 hours of working at home, your eyes feel like they're burning? There is a specific reason for that. Most monitors are shipped with showroom settings, cranked up brightness, intense contrast, and vivid colors designed to pop under harsh retail lights. In a normal office or home, those same settings are aggressive, exhausting, and completely unnatural for your eyes. The good news is that you don't need a new screen. You just need 10 minutes to fix the one you have. The gap between factory defaults and eye-friendly settings is huge, but optimizing your setup costs nothing and provides immediate relief. The most important setting is brightness. Most monitors ship at 250 to 300 nits, which is way too bright for indoor use. Here is the golden rule. Your screen should match the brightness of the room around it. If your monitor looks like a glowing light source compared to the walls, it's too high. Try this simple test. Hold a white piece of paper next to your screen. If the paper looks darker than the screen, turn the brightness down until they look roughly similar. Usually, 100 to 150 nits is the sweet spot for a standard office. Next, look at color temperature. Most screens default to a cool, blue-white light that mimics daylight. While this looks crisp, it's incredibly harsh for sustained reading and disrupts your sleep if you work in the evening. Shifting your display to a warmer temperature, between 3500 K and 4500 K, reduces blue light intensity and makes the screen feel much softer. Finally, check your physical setup. The top of your monitor should be at or slightly below eye level. If you're looking up, your eyelids retract further, causing your eyes to dry out faster. Keep the screen about an arm's length away and increase your system text size so you aren't leaning in to read. These small, free adjustments stop the dark adaptation cycling that causes headaches and fatigue. By aligning your digital environment with your physical one, you turn your monitor from a source of strain into a comfortable tool.